Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to find how loud your SSD or hard drive is on your MacBook. Using this method we'll also know exactly how much storage is free and taken up on our device. Let's jump right into this. So for this video we can start anywhere on our MacBook. What we need to do is come up to the top left. We're going to be clicking on the Apple logo, and what we're going to be doing is coming to About This Mac. Once we're here, what we're going to be doing is coming to the top bar. Once we're here, we're going to be looking for the top tab bar right here, and we're going to be looking for the third option here in the middle called storage. We're going to be clicking this open, and here we're going to get some more information about our drive. So at the moment it will say here either flash or hard disk storage. If you have flash storage, you will have an SSD like I do at the moment. Otherwise it can come up as hard disk storage, which means you have a hard drive. On top here we will see how much storage is available, and we will see our total storage capacity. So for the moment I have 317 gigabytes free of around 500 gigabytes. So I have a 500 gigabyte SSD in my MacBook. Here below we can see how much of our storage is taken up from the different things. We can see that apps here are taking up about 32 gigabytes, documents about 6, the Mac OS is about 15, and then my system data is 117. We can see exactly how much we have available, how much we have free, and we can see all the different information about the storage on our MacBook. Anyway guys, I want to take this moment to give a huge shout out to the channel members, Sean Daly and Joshua Davis. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you'd like to have your name shout out in future videos or some other perks, be sure to click the join button underneath any video on the channel. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. If you want to support me, dropping a super thanks in this video would be greatly appreciated. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.